Hello friends, today I shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Right? If the descent starts up from 10 meter above the ground, suppose this is the ground level, this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter and this is minus 350 meter. Right? That means if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground, from here it is starting, right, above the ground, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? That means you have to find the time to the elevator to take from to travel from here to here, right? That is from, if we take it as A to C, right? This is C and B is the ground level, right? Now here you see, here the distance is 10 meter and here the distance is 350 meter. Minus sign is given because it is below the ground level. But if we take total distance, here we find total distance, total distance right, total distance, if it starts from here, that is, it is going in the same direction, that is in the south direction. This is north and this is south direction. In the same direction is going, therefore you take this 10 meter as negative, right, because they are going in the same, it is also negative and this is also negative, right? From ground level it is going to minus 350 meter, means down, and from 10 meter it is going in this direction, that means same direction. That means total distance is minus 10 meter plus minus 350 meter minus 350 meter, and that it comes to minus 10 meter plus into minus is minus 350 meter, 350 meter, and it comes to minus 360 meter, 60 meter. Now the elevator is descending, that means it is also going in this direction. Therefore the speed of the elevator is speed of the elevator is also minus, because it is going in the downward direction. It is minus 6 meter per minute, right? Therefore we know that time is equal to time is equal to distance by speed, distance distance by speed. Therefore the distance is minus 360 and the speed is minus 6 meter per minute, right? Therefore minus minus got plus, and 6 6 is 30, 0, that is we are getting 60 minute, 60 minute, and you know that 60 minute is equal to 1 hour, is equal to 1 hour. You to remember that the total distance is, you have taken negative, right? Right? Therefore how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Therefore it will take, it will take 1 hour to reach, 1 hour to reach, 1 hour to reach minus 350 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.